Alright guys, welcome to part 3 of my vlog. So this week I got asteroids to break and like making for 4 pieces, and I'm still working on getting the code to like reflect that, like what the pieces are. I've been doing a little bit experimenting with it. So apart from that, I started working on a second station. Ragnar station. Take a look at it. Mostly parts that I made earlier, beginning. I might not use all of them, but or I might remake this again with better pieces. I'm not sure yet. This was just a square. I don't know. Also, I started working on the commodity screen. So at every station, you'll have this screen with different stuff. To take a look at it real quick. I have it loading up a whole bunch of elements, well basically all of them. So I have this I'm using this JSON file that I got from Browsernator's GitHub page. He has it available for everyone to use if you want. I could right now here I could select them and read out their descriptions. A whole bunch of JSON scripting, reading stuff, reading JSON files, etc. etc. So to go over this properly, from the for the commodity screen, you have the station name. This will change based on where you're at. You have the name column, the symbol for the element, and the type. So guess solid, is liquid as well, and the quantity that's currently at the station, and then the supply. I think I'm mixing these two up. I'm not sure yet. I need to figure out supply demand. I think supply is the amount that's there. So this and this is kind of redundant maybe. And demand is how much people want. So yeah. And then the price. This is currently just a random number at the moment. I need to actually figure out how I'm gonna price it. And yeah, so as I said, pre-select one. I took the description from the JSON file, and the type again, and its appearance, and its density, as well as the random base price again. This base price is from a separate JSON that I'm making. So I grabbed the names and use it as the key for the separate JSON file. And I'm just making up my own numbers there. And here I have the price and the amount that you want to buy or sell. So you select how much you have. Inventory is how much of the selected item you have. I'm thinking to have another column here to show your inventory. Maybe I change this my inventory if this, this is gonna be the regular. How much is at this station? So alright, these don't really do anything yet. And then you have your credits up here and the close window, but that doesn't do anything yet either. I'm starting working on the interiors as well. Just using old parts from my older projects. I might change all of these. Yeah, these are all old from like game jams that I did before. And last thing is I now have I have a targeting system. It's not fully working yet. So if I hold Z, I get control of a mouse. So I could select the oval station, and I'll get all that stuff there. And it says 480 meters, and I have it set to change to arrive when I'm a certain distance away. So that works for each scene. That's pretty much what I did this week. So I feel like streaming again, so I'll probably do a stream next week. I'd rather streaming. Feels harder doing this way. Alright guys, take care.